Welcome back, fellas, to this new video of Express. Today I'm going to be showing you how to get started with Adobe Express. Now, Adobe Express is the perfect for creating videos, especially for social media. And how we're going to be using this, let's get started. So basically here, if you're tired of complicated video softwares, the most easiest way to get started is with Adobe Express. Directly here into Adobe, for example, one of the most easiest way is that you have all-in-one answer tool from the maker of Photoshop and Premiere Pro, and you can use it right into your browser. So in this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to go from blank canvas to finish eye-catching video in just a few elements. Now first, I head over to the Adobe Express and sign up for the free account. One of the most amazing things is that you don't need it to get a credit card. So directly in here into the Adobe, the home screen is where the magic starts. Notice this search bar. You can type, for example, and exact what you actually need, like an Instagram reel, a YouTube thumbnail, or even a science fair poster. For this demo, let's try a brand new Instagram reel video. So click into the preset size and it opens a sections. So for example, let's go for video and says describe the video you want to generate. Let's say Instagram reel. The interface is super clean. Into the left you have a lot of tools. So let's say for example that I try out for the video elements, and you have an animated character, trending videos for TikTok in minutes, and so much more. So let's say for example a Instagram reel trending about dogs, and I go for generate. So what's happening here is going to be sending me directly into the Adobe Firefly. Now the Adobe Firefly is an enable that can be helping you to generate images. So the interface is super clean. To the left you have all the design assets and the tools, or even you can try it out to get started, for example with some create new elements. Let's go for create, for example. So I choose for example a template. Let's say that I wanted to get started with an Instagram story or an Instagram reel, and I browse some templates. So you have your video timeline. This element is where you can arrange your scenes and enter the clips. But first, let's try out to choose an actual template. So I'm going to close this element. I'm going to focus only into the templates of the Instagram Reels covers and choose one that you liked the most. For example, let's say this music festival. I choose the option that says customize my template, and now I am inside the actual Adobe Express. So once again, this is the interface where you have this super clean element where you have now into the left section, let's say you have all your design assets and the toast. On the bottom you have your own video timeline. This is where you arrange your scenes and into the clips. Now the fastest way to start is with an actual template. So if you go for let's search for a quick intro, I like this one, a single click and it's loaded into your actual timeline. We're going to skip this actual tool for now. You can see that there's a lot of information here, but you don't have to worry about it. Just select the elements that you would like to see. For example, here, this is the play dashboard where you can see all your actual elements. Everything looks really well. So templates are just starting points. If you see this background video, for example, you click it, go to the media tab, and you can easily replace it with your own footage or choose a free to use video from Adobe stock. So drop this into the claim right here. For example, event schedule, flea market. I select the option that says flea market, and here have music festival, farmers markets. So let's say that I go for free merch, and there we go. So I am free to move this wherever I want to. If there's elements that you don't want her to see, you can select this element and delete it. And I can go directly for add content. Let's go for elements. And let's say that I wanted to add a new shape. For example, this one. So I can just resize it and put it where I want it to be appearing. There we go. So you can see that of course the new elements we needed to be animated as the other ones. So in order to select my element, go for animation. Let's say that I choose just as the other one. Let's say bungee like this. There we go. Duration just 1 second. And let's say that I wanted to be starting somewhere around here. So I use the timeline to select this element and to be appearing like this. And there we go. When you have now finished adding your finishing touches, all your information, selecting elements that you would like to see, even you can add your own audio, for example here. Just select this element of the option that says download when you're good to go. Into the upper right corner, just choose the video resolution, for example 1080, original sized, MP4, and go for download. And the download will be starting in no time. So usually you can add essential quick actions. For example, there's the build right in, there's the text tab, there's the effects, the animation tab. Just we have going to be using basic elements. We're going to be showing you like a very easy way of how you can actually get started with the Adobe Express. But basically just an easy way of how you can use this application. So once you're happy with your videos, I just told you, click into the download button and you have created a professional looking video using the Adobe Express. So your video is now ready to go. So if this tutorial helped you guys, hit the like button, let me know into the comments what you'll be creating first. Thank you so much for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more scripted breakdowns, of course, and I'll see you guys into the next video. See you guys next time.